Good morning. Here we are at the truck. Gotta replace this thing. Build myself some ramps. As you can see, put a nice little handle to make it easier to get up. So let's fire this thing up and just pull it up on those ramps. Alright, so the truck is up. As you can see, it gives you a lot more clearance underneath. Bumper's pretty easy on 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 bolts, and then you have bolts underneath here, which those brackets actually broke when I hit a deer and bent it, but looks like it's gonna rain, so let's get to it. Finally got that thing off. It was a lot harder than I thought, because this here kept freaking spinning, so I had to go ahead and cut it off. That was stupid, but whatever. We'll knock that out. Yeah, as you can see, they get mounted up there, and then you have these support brackets that go over here, and that's how it goes. Let's put the new one on. Alright, well, here it is. I think it looks pretty great. Still got to go buy a few bolts and a bracket on this side because they were both broken. I only have one. And these bolts here, I just got to do it when I have help, because it's just not doable with one person. But I mean, I think the bumper turned out nice. We'll see once we take it off these ramps what it looks like, so let's do that. There we go, $420 bumper. Gotta finish it up. This side is sturdy. This side needs a bracket here, and it'll be good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Now we gotta clean up now and go home. Stay safe.